Children, today's date is 29th of April and the year is 2021. Today's day is Thursday and today we are going to have a numeracy class. In our numeracy class, we are going to do an activity. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you all have to do this activity at home and I'll be waiting for your videos. Okay, so when you're doing that activity that I'm going to show you, you have to take a small clipping of that activity, a video, and you have to send it to me. Okay, so now let me begin to show you that activity. Children, this activity is called memory, or you can say matching game activity. Okay, so here you can see there are two sets of cards. Okay, so these are called counting cards and these are called number cards. So as you can see in these counting cards, each card has pictures, yes, and those pictures are a few number of times. Just like here, in this card, there's a picture of trees, yes, and how many trees are there? Two trees. There's in this picture there's picture of an apple, and how many apples? Just one apple. Yes. Then these are some ice cream. Yes. So how many ice creams do you see here? 1, 2, 3 ice creams here. Then this card has pictures of balloons. So we can count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons. Yes, this picture card, counting card, has pictures of mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mangoes. Yes, so these are, you can say, picture cards, or you can also call them counting cards. Okay, and here there are number cards which I have arranged randomly. Okay, so I have not placed them in order. They have been just placed randomly, and you have to do the same. Just place the number cards randomly. Okay, so which number is this? This is 4, 3, 2, 5 and 1. And next what you're going to do is, I am going to shuffle the counting cards. Okay, I'm going to shuffle these cards and then put them face down. You can see here, children, I have shuffled the counting cards and placed them on the floor, or you can also place them on the table face down. Okay, so I have put them face down here, so you cannot see what is there inside the card now. And here you can see the number cards. I'm going to put them face down as well, but before doing that, now this is the important part. This is where your memory is going to come in picture. Okay, now you have to remember, try to remember in which sequence I have placed these cards. Okay, so let's try to remember. First I have 4, then I have 3, then I have 2, then I have 5, and then I have 1. Okay, so you have to remember this. 4, 3, 2, 5 and 1. We'll try to remember it, okay, because it's a memory game. And now that you know, okay, so have a look at this for some time and then put these cards face down as well. Okay, so I am putting this. So now I remember it. Okay, so give yourself a minute or so to remember how the cards have been placed and then put them face down. Okay, and now the game begins. Okay, so first I have to flap over the counting card. Okay, one by one. So let's begin from this one. I flap this. Now it's facing up. Yes, so this is a picture of an apple. And how many apples do you see here? Just one apple, yes. So this is one apple. So this is the counting card. Now, do you remember where was number 1 here in the number card section? Yes? So in this grid, where do you think was number 1? Is this number 1 card? Do you remember where was number 1? Yes, I think it was here. No, this is not number 1. Okay, so I give myself one more chance. Just 2 chances, okay? Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this is number 1. So this is 1 apple and this is number 1. Yes? So I put them together and put it aside. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's flap over this card now. Now, here are some balloons. How many balloons can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. Now, coming to the number card grid. Do you remember where was number 4? Yes, this is a memory game, so you have to remember where was number 4 card. Let's try. Okay, I think this was number 4. Let's check it. No, is this number 4? This is not number 4. We are looking for number 4. This is number 2. Let's try once again. Okay. Here is number 4. Yes? So this is the counting card which has 4 balloons. And this is my number card showing me number 4. So I put them together and keep it aside. Okay? Now let's open the next one. Okay, so this counting card shows me some mangoes. And how many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 5 mangoes on my counting card. Now let me find the number 5 in my number card section. Do you remember where is number 5? I think it was here. Yes, this is number 5. Now I got it correct just in the first try, yes? Because I remembered that my number 5 was here. This was a memory game, so you have to try to remember where was the number. Okay, so here's my counting card showing me 5 mangoes. This is my number card showing me number 5, and I put it aside. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's flap the next counting card. Now, this counting card shows me trees. So how many are they? 1, 2. Okay, now come to the number card section. Now, do you remember where's number 2? I remember. It was in the second row here. Yes? So this is number 2. So I put this counting card along with the number card and put it aside. Okay, so now I just have 1 remaining. I'm sure they're going to be the same number. Yes? So let's do it. So this is a picture card or the counting card showing me 3 ice creams. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm sure in the number card section this is going to be number 3 because that's the only number that's left. Yes? So counting card shows me 3 ice creams and this is the number 3. So I have found the equivalent number here. Yes? So this is the way, children, you're going to play the game. Okay? So we are doing only numbers 1 to 5. So this will help you. This is going to be a game, memory game, which will help you revise your counting and as well as your number recognition. Okay? So all of you, please do this activity at home. Yes, and send me small snapshots, yes, small videos of you doing this activity. Happy learning, children. Bye.